In this video, we'll be looking at the mature motor pattern of an overhand throw. The 5 main points that we'll be analyzing are the legs and feet, arms, specifically the shoulder and elbows, the hands and wrists, the head and eyes, and lastly, the hips and trunk. For the preparation phase, both the leg opposite the preferred and non-preferred arm are facing horizontal to the target towards the adjacent wall, shoulder width apart with the leg opposite the preferred arm closest to the target. Then with the arms, specifically shoulder and elbow, the preferred elbow will stay bent approximately at 90 degrees with the object of throw gripped in hand. Non-preferred elbow is also bent approximately 90 degrees, slightly gripping the object and other hand. Preferred hand is grasping the ball to throw, fingers cupped around. Non-preferred hand has fingers laying on top of or near preferred hand, helping grasp ball with fingers cupped. Head and eyes are turned to the side with eyes on target. Hips and trunk are in a straight line with the feet. For the execution phase, leg opposite of the preferred arm will step forward in line with the back foot, toe pointed towards target, knee bent 45 degrees with the foot flat in front of the body. The leg opposite of the non-preferred arm, the heel is off the ground, toe pointed towards the target, and the foot planted behind the hips. The preferred arm will have the shoulder extended 90 degrees, elbow extended 90 degrees, swings down and back behind the head. Non-preferred arm will have the shoulder and elbow straight out, flexed 45 degrees. The hands and wrist of the preferred arm will have the fingers release the ball, hand is behind head and shoulders, wrist is slightly flexed. The non-preferred wrist is straight, hand is straight with the fingers and palm is flat. The head is straight forward with eyes on target, and hips and trunk will rotate with the step to face body towards the target. For the follow-through phase, the leg opposite of the preferred arm will have the foot flat in front of the hips, toe pointed towards the target, and the knee straightened. The leg opposite the non-preferred arm will have the heel off the ground, toe pointed towards the target, foot planted on the toe behind hips, body weight mostly off of the foot and shifted slightly forward. For the preferred arm, the elbow is extended and swings to the opposite side of the body, palms flat, touching the opposite hip. The non-preferred arm will have it straight out, shoulder extended approximately 45 degrees behind the hips. The preferred wrist is straight, fingers and palms slightly bent in cupping form, touching opposite hip. The non-preferred wrist and hand is straight out, hand slightly cupped or relaxed behind hips and in line with the rest of the arm. The head and eyes are straightforward looking at the target, and finally the hips and trunk are straightforward and slightly flexed forward. This completes the mature motor pattern of an overhand throw.